Our food system is built on a series of lies, from giant fast food chains to the delivery apps on your phone. My name is Bogdan, and I'm a developer who is building a weapon to fight back. I am not a chef. I'm a 47-year-old developer with background in military signals and building mission-critical systems for NATO. I solve complex problems, and today the problem is the food we're being sold. Let's talk about two of the biggest lies in food industry. Lie one, they say fast food is fine in moderation, yet they make it with cheap inflammatory seed oils, hidden sugars, and processed ingredients that make it addictive, not nutritious. It is a lie that is damaging our health. Lie number two, the delivery lie. Delivery apps like Uber Eats, Deliveroo, Takeaway, they pretend to help local businesses, while they actually crush local businesses with crippling 30% commissions, while they make it easier and faster to get unhealthy food from giants like McDonald's, Pizza Hut, and many others. So, I decided to build the truth. I'm opening my food restaurant franchise. I started up with first restaurant here in Ghent, Primal Food. There are no lies on our menu. We use no seed oils. We present you with all the macronutrients of every dish that you have from us. This is not fast food. It's health food served fast. No flours of any kind. Everything that you order from us, it actually is gonna lower your cholesterol and expand your lifespan. But one restaurant is not enough. That's why I've built my own technology. It's a complete system designed to empower local healthy businesses. It allows for fair ordering, easy bill splitting, and transparency delivery tracking without the predatory fees. This is a David versus Goliath mission. It won't be easy. And so far, everything has been tough. But I believe that together, we can build an honest, healthy food system. If you believe in this fight, subscribe to this channel and follow every step of this journey. And if you are in Ghent or passing by, most powerful thing that you can do is vote with your wallet. Come visit Primal Food at Dampostrad and show them we want something better.